So how do you bring back the deleted photos on the iPad? Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, check out the rest of the videos and most definitely subscribe because I have so many tutorials which I believe are going to help you out. Anyways, you can open up the Photos app and just make the left section, the left panel open up where you can see a bunch of different options. And you might already see the recently deleted, but if not, go to Collections and scroll through the available things and media types, and part of the utilities folder we have the recently deleted folder. So you'll need to scan your face or type in your passcode to check out your photos and videos which you have deleted. You can see them right now. You can tap on select and then tap on the three dots, tap on recover, and then the photos and videos will be brought back to the main folder where they're not going to disappear anymore. So that's how you can bring them back from the deleted state. Keep in mind that they are only part of this folder for 30 days. So if you wait a bit longer, then these photos will be deleted forever and you'll not be able to retrieve them back. There are also some more things. For example, you might have them part of your backup, so check out the iCloud settings of your iPad, and perhaps if you have the iCloud photos, you can enable this and sync your iPad with iCloud photos, and some of them might appear on your iPad that way, right? So it depends on your situation and how you had it in the past, but in either case, share your experience below. I'm really curious to know how exactly it went and if there are some issues you might want to do or share or get fixed. Let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.